This 2009 Toyota Corolla LE had a misfire on cylinder 3. I bought a set of spark plug coils and spark plugs for it. The car was running a bit rough. I bought these coils on Amazon for $53 and they came with spark plugs. I was intrigued by the fact on how this car was running. When I removed the first spark plug, I noticed it was already loose. When I removed all the spark plugs, I realized all were loose. I've been wondering for how long. Has this car been running with loose spark plugs? The spark plug coil to the far left was getting burned the most. This is one of the reasons why a car will burn more gasoline. Do not forget to calibrate your DOT spark plugs before installing them. This is how I took off the first spark plug. I was able to take it off with just my hand. Even when you are installing spark plugs, you have to be really careful. I noticed when I was installing the spark plugs, it was getting tight really quick. So I removed the spark plug and installed it again. I remember a bad experience when someone did not install my spark dot plugs correctly and it blew off and out from its thread. This is the new and old spark plug difference. Remember to take your time installing the spark plugs. You can do it. Do not over-tighten the spark plugs. Do not keep tightening the spark plugs if they get tight once you insert them. Instead, get the spark plugs loose. A little bit, then tighten them again. I noticed one spark plug seemed like. It was turning for so long and it never stopped. Then I realized I was installing it slowly and careful because it finally got tight. I tightened the spark plugs like this by hand. I made a small, slightly tight turn once it was tight already so I do not over-tighten it. I used my check engine scanner and the check engine code erased by itself. I drove about 15 to 20 miles with no problems. I took the car to get its smog after 20 miles, and it passed smog. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and comment what you think. The far left spark plug was the one getting burned the most. I appreciate you and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. And remember, you are the best.